Southern Alberta business will go head-to-head with Health Canada in federal court tomorrow. Truehope, based out of Raymond, waited over 10 years to get approval on their drug to treat bipolar disorder. It was granted, but not before Health Canada seized the drug. As Quinn Oler reports, for the co-founders, the fight goes well beyond the seizure.
These people don't line up to sign up for this kind of a thing. It can happen to any one of us.
Anthony Stephan is no stranger to bipolar disorder. His first wife committed suicide in 1994 after being diagnosed with a mental disorder, and he now has 4 children who live with it. After the death of his wife and a number of scary situations involving his son, Stephan couldn't sit back any longer. He teamed up with David Hardy and looked to agriculture for inspiration.
There was a syndrome among the hogs called ear and tail biting syndrome. We came to understand through the agricultural literature that you could nutrate away the symptoms. In other words, add nutrition to the feedstock.
Hardy and Stephan tried different mineral vitamin mixtures with Stephan's son, who after a few different tries was able to eliminate the bipolar symptoms. Thus, Truehope was born, a not-for-profit company which combines the use of the supplement Empowerplus with over-the-phone support. Today, over 56,000 people use the service. But in 2003, RCMP seized the product from the company's office in Raymond. Health Canada then charged Truehope with the illegal sale of a drug, charges that wouldn't hold up in court.
In spite of the fact that Health Canada had given us 3 cease and desist orders telling us to stop, the court said, had you followed those cease and desist orders, your actions would have resulted in the death of individuals or at least the hospitalization and injury of people.
Truehope is asking the court to strike amendments in the Food and Drugs Act, based on the 8th constitutional right, the right to be secure against unreasonable search or seizure. For the owners of Truehope, the fight is about more than just what happened to them.
In every case from here on in, on any natural health product, not just Empowerplus by Truehope, but colloidal silver, vitamin C, vitamin D, whatever it is, vitamin mineral mixtures by other companies, we're asking the courts to force Health Canada into the courts on these issues, where if they want to remove a product, they have to prove to the court that they're removing that product will not injure Canadians.
Quinn Oler, Global News.
Starting tomorrow, the courts will hear 14 days of testimony in a Calgary federal courtroom.